Will this laptop boot faster on Windows 8.1 with all HDD, or this laptop with SSD drive and Windows 10 will boot much faster? You will not believe me, but after you repeat all the process, your HDD drive will run much faster than SSD drive on Windows 10. Hello everybody, you are on AndriyTech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase speed of your laptop or computer even if you don't have SSD drive. In my hand I have all HDD drive, and to be honest, many users have the same. So friends, if you don't have opportunity to buy a new SSD drive or to upgrade your system, this video will be perfect for you. On my YouTube channel in community I ask you, how do you think which operating system is best optimized for all devices? And most people decide that Windows 7 is the best. And I don't have any problem with that because in one time Windows 7 was the best operating system and we all remember how it was grateful. But I was really confused when I realized that small percent of people think that Windows 8.1 is good optimized for all devices, because definitely Windows 8.1 is good optimized. I mean, it was released after Windows 7. On my channel I make several videos where I'm showing you how to install Windows on your USB stick using Rufus program. So a link on the original ISO file and Rufus program will be in the description. Today I'm going to do one interesting test. I have two laptops Lenovo Thinkpad. One laptop have HDD drive and the second have SSD drive. First I will run both of this laptop on Windows 10 and then I will install Windows 8.1 on the laptop which have HDD drive and repeat the test. And believe me my friend, the difference between them will be significant. So let's get started. So guys, on my table you may see these two laptops, Lenovo Thinkpad L430. Actually they look similar and in most cases they are similar. They both have Intel Core i3M processor of 3rd generation. This have Intel Core i3-3110M, base frequency is 2.4 GHz, and this has Intel Core i3-3120M, base frequency 2.5 GHz. This one have SSD drive and this one have all HDD drive. Both of them have Windows 10 licensed Windows. I will turn on both of this laptop in the same time and you can see how much time they need to boot to the system menu. But after that I will install Windows 8.1 on this laptop that have HDD drive and I will repeat the process. First I will turn on both of this laptop. So I want to remind you, this laptop have SSD drive, this laptop have HDD drive, and of course they have 4 GB of RAM. SSD drive, HDD drive, 4 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM, and both of them have licensed Windows 10. So let's turn on these laptops. So on SSD drive, laptop start much faster and boot to the system menu. As you can see, I do not install some special programs, only Google Chrome browser and Microsoft Edge browser was installed by default. Both of this laptop does not have battery, and if we click here, you may see that I select maximum performance for both of these devices. Also, I will show you the specification of the system. This laptop that runs on HDD drive has Intel Core i3-3110M processor, base frequency 2.4 GHz, 4 GB of RAM. If we click on Device Manager, I will show you that it has HDD drive. To look at the model of our hard drive or SSD drive, we need to click on Disk Drives. Click here, and as you can see, this is Hitachi. Actually, this is average HDD drive. It has 500 gigabytes. Nothing special about this hard drive, so we can close this window. If you look here, we can see also Intel Core i3-3120M processor and base frequency 2.5 GHz, also 4 GB of RAM. And if we go to the device manager, click here, disk drives, and here you may see SSD drive. It has 128 gigabytes. This is my USB stick on which I install Windows 8.1, and now I need to insert it into the laptop and enter the BIOS. And now I need to turn on the laptop and press F1. In my case, I will enter the BIOS. Probably you need to press another button. It all depends on your model. You can check information on the Google. So turn on the laptop and press F1 key. Okay guys, I enter the BIOS and now I need to change priority. Don't mind if you have another BIOS, don't be afraid. In most BIOS you can change priorities. You just need to find this option. In my case, I need to go to the startup. After that, I find boot option. I will click enter. And now I need to put my USB drive at the first place. Right now you may see USB SD, USB FDD. This is not my USB stick. My USB stick is here. And I need to press plus or minus to move it up or down. Okay guys, I successfully moved my USB stick at the first place, and the most importantly, I need to click exit and save all the changes. Press enter. Also, you can manually boot your USB stick if you press F12. So turn on the laptop and press F12. After that, you will have option to select your USB stick. Here you may see my USB drive. Press enter. So guys, we are in the installation window and now we able to install Windows 8.1 on our hard drive. Click next. Install now. At this stage, you need to enter your license key. Right now, I will type it and click next. But if you don't have license key, you can try to find on the internet lifetime key for Windows 8.1. Lifetime key will just help you to bypass this window. It will not activate your window, but you will be able to install Windows on your hard drive. So guys, after you enter your license Windows key, you can press enter. Click here and scroll down a little bit. This was just a joke. You can click next. In this window, you need to select Custom Install Windows Only. Now you need to delete all information from your hard drive. So be sure to copy all previous information on another hard drive or USB stick. So I will delete all partitions. Now I will create space for our operating system. So I recommend to create 83,000 megabytes or 83 gigabytes. I think it will be more than enough. After that, click apply. Now we need to select this partition and Windows 8.1 will be installed here. After that, click next and just wait until Windows will be installed on our hard drive. So another time we need to enter the BIOS. In my case, I will press F1 key. Okay, now we need to change priorities. Boot. This is my HDD drive and now I need to move it at the first place. Excellent, my HDD drive are in the first place. After this process, I need to save all the changes. Exit saving changes. Press enter. Laptop will restart. Definitely that's not all. Right now I will install all necessary important drivers on Windows 8.1 and then I will repeat all the tests. and then we will see how much faster this device boot on Windows 8.1, or it will boot faster than the same device with SSD drive and Windows 10. We'll find out. Write in the comment what do you think. Will this device on Windows 8.1 run much faster than the same device with SSD drive and Windows 10? So guys, I successfully installed Windows 8.1 on this laptop and installed all necessary important drivers. Will this laptop boot faster on Windows 8.1 with all HDD, or this laptop with SSD drive and Windows 10 will boot much faster? Oh, sorry. I forget to charge this laptop. I forget to connect this laptop to the charge. Oh, holy crap. Of course this laptop will run much faster. And voila! Laptop with all HDD drive that runs on Windows 8.1 boot faster than this laptop on SSD drive. As you can see, I also installed Google Chrome browser, so I think it's fair enough. So guys, as you can see, Windows 8.1 really boot much faster than Windows 10, even if we talk about HDD and SSD. Also, another time I will show you the specification of the laptop, because probably someone will say that this video is fake. Okay, let's go to the specifications. We have the same specification: Intel Core i3-3110M processor, 4GB of RAM, Windows activated, and I will show you that this is the same HDD drive. I will go to the device manager. As you can see, I install all necessary important drivers. On my channel I have a video where I show you in detail how to install drivers. Select disk drives, the same hard drive. So let's look at the second laptop. As you can see, we have Intel Core i3-3120M processor, 4GB of RAM, disk drives. We see SSD drive. As you can see, Windows 8.1 is much faster than Windows 10, probably because it doesn't have so much updates as Windows 10. Actually, Windows 8.1 don't have new updates, but Windows 10 will be update to 2025. But definitely, if you have choice, I will still recommend to buy SSD drive, because SSD drive will be much faster, and if you want to use newer operating systems such as Windows 10 or Windows 11, SSD drive will be the best solution. But if you have old laptop or you don't want to buy SSD drive, and you want to use Windows, you don't want to use Chrome OS Flex and the other operating system, you can install Windows 8.1, I mean license Windows 8.1 from the Microsoft official website and get all benefits of Windows. So I think it will be more than enough. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. Also, on my channel you can watch a lot of interesting videos and I will be glad if you watch all of them. Goodbye everyone, see you soon.